Good morning everyone. I Pooja Singh, mentor from Advanced Academy School.
What is it with our weather? It just don't understand. The weatherman predicts it, but it's never what they planned. I took a simple day out. They said it would be hot. So I only wore a t-shirt and hot. Well, it was not. I got colder by the minute. My shivering arms were bare, and then it started raining, and what just rained my hair? My feet got soaking wet, and I think I have caught a sniffle. I don't believe the weatherman. Now I think that it's all piffle. With this beautiful poem, I would like to introduce my chapter, that is 17. How is the weather?
Let me explain you what is weather. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Sometimes air become hot, गर्म हो जाती है और कभी-कभी ठंडी हो जाती है, cold. This change in air is known as weather. Weather keeps changing from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour.
Weather is what the sky and the air outside are like, such as cold and windy. Our lives can be affected by the weather conditions, like what we wear, what to eat, and what to do. There are different types of weather, which includes sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. Let's talk about a hot and sunny day. Yellow sun, shining down so bright. Sunshine, giving lots of light. The sun is warm. It hits my face. It really makes me smile. I do not want the sun to leave, so please stay for a while.
During the summertime, the sun shines brightly and it is very hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes to stay cool. We like to sit near a fan, cooler, or an air conditioner. Do you know what is air conditioner? It is a machine used to cool air in a place and to make our life comfortable during summertime. We like to have juice and ice cream. Some of us go for swimming also. You know, student, some people wear sunglasses to protect the eyes from the glare of the sun.
Children love to enjoy and play during the sunny day. People love to go picnic also in the evening.
I see clouds. They look so puffy, big and little, light and fluffy. Cloud block the sun. They bring the shade. Look really closely. See what picture are made. I really don't mind a cloudy day. But look out. Rain could be on the way.
When the sky is cloudy, it's so full of clouds that you cannot see the sun. A cloudy day isn't ideal for a trip to the beach, and a cloudy night isn't great for stargazing. I am sure आपने ये पोम तो बहुत बार सुनी होगी. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. हाँ, यही वाली पोम. चलिए, we will talk about rainy day. On some days, It rains a lot. Such days are cool. We use an umbrella or wear raincoats with gumboots. We play with paper boats. Sometimes, after it rains, we see a rainbow in the sky. Now let's talk about windy day. On some days, the wind blows very strongly. A windy day is mostly cool. When the wind moves smoothly, at that time children love to fly kites and enjoy the time. Oh, I'm feeling cold. Let's talk about winters, cold days. During the winters, the day and nights are cold. Sometimes very cold wind blows and sometimes it rains. It gets very cold. We wear woolen clothes to stay warm. We like to have hot drinks. It's snow in mountains. Children make snowman with snow. What a fun! I love winters. Do you? Let's recap the points. Weather changes every day. Weather affects our lifestyle. Types of weather: hot, cold, rainy, cloudy, and snowy. I hope you like this video. Thank you.